Hi, I'm Amanda from the Sonoma Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite green bean recipe, green bean bundles with bacon and brown sugar. And we developed it in the Test Kitchen specifically for Thanksgiving, but I think it's a great recipe for entertaining or even a family meal any time of year. It's so gorgeous and so easy to do, so let me show you how. I'm starting with some bacon in a pan. You can use any kind you like. Just make sure it's not too smoky because you don't want the flavor of the bacon overwhelming the green beans. But all I'm looking to do is just kind of get it a little bit brown around the edges because I need to be able to have it pliable enough that I can put it around those little bundles of green beans that we have. All right, so while my bacon drains, I'm gonna show you a really cool trick for my green beans. I parboiled these already. I cooked them in salted boiling water for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. All I really want to do is get that really raw edge off, but you still want them to be crisp. After you blanch your green beans and you put them in ice cold water to stop the cooking, they might be a little bit wet still. So I just like to put mine in a towel like this, and then you roll it, and you're gonna get all of that excess water off of your green beans. One of the other things I love about this recipe is that it's so simple. All I'm taking is some melted butter, do a really generous pinch of salt, and then some garlic powder. I'm just gonna stir that up, and now I just need to wrap my little bundles. I'm gonna take a piece of the bacon. You only need about 1/2 piece, and then you're gonna put the wrapped part down on the bottom so it holds its shape. I'm gonna use about 6 green beans per bundle, and then you can make sure that you can get the bacon all of the way around it as well. Okay, so now all we need to do to finish this is just put a little bit of this butter mixture over the whole thing. Now the brown sugar, be generous. There's something about the bacon brown sugar combo that is just amazing. Now I'm gonna put the whole thing in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. They look perfect. You can see that the green beans are just cooked through and the bacon looks nice and crispy. In my mind, there's really no other way to cook green beans.